Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And on behalf of the Parrot.wmv, I would like to welcome you to our new pet, Polly the Parrot. Now, he's a very colourful chap, as you can see, and he has a few words to say about the pink party on the 6th of December 2008. No, Polly, I said you were supposed to have a few words to say about the pink party. Stop swearing. Okay?
Polly wants a fucking parker! Polly wants a fucking parker! Give Polly a fucking parker now!
No, I said about the pink party, not about crackers.
Hey, baby, show us your tits!
No, Denise is not going to get her tits out tonight, so you can stop that.
What? Polly wants a blowjob! Polly feels good!
Polly, nobody's going to give you a blowjob at the pink party, and that's final.
Dickhead alert! Dickhead alert! Dickhead alert! What?
Polly, I don't need that kind of language from you. Thank you very much.
Who's a pretty Polly? Who's a pretty Polly? Not you, Lord-ass!
See, what do I get to work with? Eh? Now, you're going to stop it and behave yourself.
Hey, you! Go fuck yourself! What?
Is that all you've got to say for yourself? Is it?
What? Nobody likes you! What? Everybody hates you! What?
Right.
Come closer! Come closer! Start calling her! What? What? What?
No, Polly, we don't want to scratch your ass, and that's the end of it.
What? Who's a fucker then? Who's a fucker then? What? What?
I think you are, and you better stop this right now.
Polly wants a fucking parker! Polly wants a fucking parker! Give Polly a fucking parker now! What?
You're not having a cracker. Now stop it.
Hey, baby, show us your tits!
Nobody's going to show you your tits, and I've had just about enough of you.
What? Polly wants a blowjob! Polly feels good!
That's enough. I've had enough of you now. And I'd just like to say, please join us on the 6th of December for our pink party day. Thank you. Bye-bye.